I'm Amr Farag, and this is Shock Therapy for Organizational Development.
What's the real threat to your company? It's a silent disease that starts at the top, when leaders stop listening and think they can never be wrong. This is CEO disease, and it's more dangerous than you think. Organizational psychologist Tasha Eurich calls it the SO disease. It's not a medical issue. It's a leadership trap where power blurs self-awareness. It begins subtly. A leader who believes their judgment is always right, but that confidence can blind you, leading to collapse. In episode 1, we uncovered the Pharaoh CEO. Now, let's explore how to prevent this disease before it spreads. Spotting CEO. Disease is crucial for any organization. Look for these early symptoms: overconfidence, detachment, and resistance to feedback. Each symptom feeds the next, isolating leaders from the truth. CEO. Disease creates a culture of fear and silence. Employees stop challenging decisions and start protecting themselves. Innovation dies in fear, and feedback dies in silence. Companies like Kodak and Blockbuster didn't fail because they couldn't innovate. They failed because their leaders stopped listening. When leaders live in an echo chamber, decisions lose context and morale plummets. Every collapse you've heard of started with a leader who believed they could do both things. The antidote to CEO disease isn't humiliation, it's humility. Build self-awareness through coaches and mentors and foster open communication. Diverse voices can help you see what you can't, and you must listen to them. Empower your board to question your logic and never stop learning. Leadership isn't about being the smartest, it's about keeping the room smart. The silent killer isn't competition, it's ego. Don't let success isolate you. Let humility anchor you. I'm Amr Farag, and this was episode 3 of Shock Therapy for Organizational Development. Watch it, share it, and start a conversation in your organization today.